Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This is our scripture club for December of 2025. It's the last one of the year, you guys. It's a goodie. I think you're really going to like it. So I kind of like to look at what stamp sets we have in our current collection that are the most popular or the most asked for, or even the most asked to be reworked over the years. We do this kind of stamp set a lot in our original club. We don't do it as well in our scripture club, and I think you'll really like this. I think this will be a neat one for you to be able to use throughout the whole year. And that's another thing we try to do in December is we try to come up with a stamp set that'll work really good for the coming year. And I think this is one. Let me show you this. This is called Faithful All Occasions. So you know in our original stamp line, we have all occasions and more all occasions, and I think we even have like big all occasions, and those are stamp sets that cover lots of occasions throughout the year. And what we did on this one is we took a lot of those occasions that we send cards for, and we tried to focus it in as to where we would speak to each other as believers. So I think this is really kind of cool. And I thought today what we would do is kind of old school this. I am getting ready for Christmas vacation like a lot of you guys are, and I don't have a whole lot of time to make any cards today because my time is getting really tight. But I thought we could do this like I used to back in the day, where I would put, if you've been here long enough, tell me in the comments, I would put a piece of white cardstock out on my work surface and I would show you how to stamp and how to use these. So let me go over what's on the stamp set. So if I lay it here, you'll see we've got the words happy, blessed, wishing you a, and then when we come down here, you are loved by God and by me. May the Lord bless you always, praying blessings over you today and always, His goodness. Hope your day is filled with and thinking of you today and always. Then on the side, we've got His grace, His mercy, God's blessings, and His love. The big words are the holidays, the occasions are Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Easter, anniversary, New Year, Christmas, and birthday. I thought those were some really cool ones that we could use all year long. Let's take birthday off. And I'm just going to show you kind of how this works. So you take one of the words, okay, and we'll do wishing you a on this one. And we'll do blessed on this one. And I think this is kind of fun. Just load them up on different blocks and kind of play. So let's ink up birthday. I work from the center out typically. This is what I like to do with this kind of thing. When my big word like this is birthday, I'll stamp that like this. Okay. Then, because the next word in my sentence is blessed, or actually it's the word before, I'm going to grab blessed and stamp it near birthday, wherever you want it. So there's the word bless. And then I'm going to do wishing you a above it. Now, mine are going to be crooked because my head is way back here. I cannot get over the top to see how it's lined up. But you can see how you can turn this into whatever you're looking for. Now that we know how that looks, let's do a couple of wishing you a. Let's go here, wishing you a. And I think I'll try to do one more down here. And then let's do blessed again. I'm honestly doing this on a wing and a prayer because I cannot see where that's going. All right, and now then what we can do is we can pull some other words off. So like wishing you a blessed Mother's Day. So let's pull that one off. And the font that Sylvia used for these words are so beautiful. Look how pretty this is. Look at Mother's Day. Isn't that gorgeous? This is going to be a set that you keep close at hand. You'll be able to use this for inside sentiments, outside sentiments, whatever you're interested in. I probably wouldn't say blessed Valentine's Day, but I picked it off the set, so let's do it. There's that one. And then let's do blessed Thanksgiving. That'd be a good one for up there in the corner. Didn't quite ink that one up all the way. Probably would lay this one out differently, but I didn't leave myself much room. But you can see how these work, right? Then what I really love is these other sentiments become inside sentiments. You are loved by God and me. Thought that was cute. So you stamp that inside your card, around, anywhere on your card. How about this one? I love this one. So hope your day is filled with, and then I put this on crooked, but let's see if we can get it done. God's blessings. Isn't that pretty? And you can even keep adding. And say you're stamping inside of your card. You could continue to add by doing thinking of you today and always. So that could be an inside sentiment that you build inside the card. Love this so much. I think this set is going to get used over and over again in your collection. Be sure when you get this set, you head to our product page on MaymayMadeIt.com. Sylvia always does kind of a sheet that you can see where everything is put together, so you can see how the words line up and how to use them. And she does such a great job on that. You'll be surprised how many different ways you can mix this one up. Thank you guys so much for being in our club. I think you're going to love. I think this is one that in December of next year, you'll still be using this one, because this is that kind of thing that we're always like, we just need that filler set, just that thing to go in between, that thing to build the inside of a card, and this is going to be perfect for that. Now, what you need to do, you need to make a project using this stamp set, post it to our customer gallery, and if you do that, you're entered to win our monthly giveaway that is a $50 gift card to our store. You don't have to be a club member to enter, just have the stamp set, make a project, and post it, and that is your entry. If you did last month's set and you posted to our customer gallery, be sure to check in the description to see if you were our lucky winner. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our club. Thanks for a wonderful 2025. Now we head into Christmas and the new year, and who knows what 2026 will bring for our club. Thanks so much again, guys. Have a Merry Christmas, and until next time, bye now.